Hey YouTube, welcome to the 1 Minute Barber. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to taper your own neck hair. So if you've got unruly neck hair that looks like this is certainly unruly and it's my own neck hair, and you want to turn it into something that looks a little bit neater and a little bit tidier, something a bit more like this, which is what we call tapered, then this is the video for you. Now, I've been cutting hair now for 18 years, so I've got plenty of experience to share with you, and I'm going to show you in this video how to go about it. I'm going to be using a wall senior for this. Now, this is quite important because it has a lever on the side with which we can extend the bottom blade. This is really important if you're going to be doing any kind of tapering work. Now, it doesn't need to be a wall senior. I'll leave a link for this particular one, an Amazon affiliate link down below, but any clipper that has a lever on the side of it is what you really need if you're going to be doing tapering work. What we need to do is we need to first of all understand the technique at the back of the head. When we get there with the clipper, we're going to be using this technique with the wrist, okay? So basically twisting the clipper like so. When I get to the back of the neck, I'm going to be making small movements with the clipper and I'm going to gradually progress. But a picture speaks 1,000 words. Let me show you how this is going to work. So you'll notice on the back of the neck that you've got this neck hair, which is a bit messy, and then you have head hair. There's a line just at the bottom of your hairline where it very obviously becomes neck hair and not head hair. So this little point here is exactly what we're aiming for when we're cutting. My first cut is going to be a 0 with the closed blade, and I'm going to go up to that line and just touch it, the hairline, no higher. So that little rotation of the wrist. See how I rotate the clipper there? Now I can quite happily move this lever to the open position, so I'm pushing this blade forward. That's going to make it 1.5 mils longer. So I'm going to come up again and just touch this line and just rotate the clipper when I touch it. There's that rotation. I just touch the line, rotate the clipper. Now close the blade again and put your number 1 guard on. That's the 3mm guard. So number 1 or 3mm, might be 4, might be 2.5, depending on the set you've got. Wall, it's a 3mm guard with a closed blade. And we're just going to go up a little bit higher again on that line. So I'm just going to go a little bit higher with this one now. So you can see that I'm starting to get a little bit higher again. Now it's time to go on to the 1.5. So just keep that number 1 3mm guard on and just add 1.5 millimeters by pushing your lever down. Simple. Again, just a little bit higher again. Not too high, just a little bit. Just until you hear it cutting. We're just taking a little bit. Now I've got a number 2 guard on, and that's a 6mm guard. I'm gonna close the lever on that. So this is hopefully gonna get us from that 1.5 to 2 into 3, which is the overall length. So I'm still twisting my wrist. You can see with the clipper, I'm not going right up the side of the head with it. See that? Just twist it. Don't go just that rotation on the wrist. Now on to the 2.5. That's where we add that 1.5mm. So we've got 7.5mm on here now. I'm just getting rid of all that debris, the cut hair that's lying on the skin, just so I can get a better look at the taper. Now I'm going to use my same clipper and I'm going to get rid of all the neck hair that's lying around the t-shirt line. If you have a little trimmer and you feel confident, you can make a couple of straight lines down the side of your taper. That can sometimes help to make it pop out a little bit. I'm going in backwards, making these lines. I have got videos which show the complete haircut, and I'll post that at the end of this. But what do you think of this taper? Do you think you could do it at home? Is it something that you could achieve yourself? Hit me back, let me know what you think. Here's the end result. If you ask me, I think it was certainly a lot cleaner than what was there before. Look, your barber is going to make an incredible job of doing this for you, but if you can't get there and you need to just tidy up the neckline yourself, this is a method that you could use. If you want to know what length my hair was at the start, it was actually a number 3 on the sides. That's the 10mm guard, and I tapered from 0 into the 3 at the back there. Listen, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've got loads more content to come. Stay tuned to the channel. Hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and hit me with any questions that you might have. Until next time, keep yourself and your scissors sharp, and I will see you in my next video.